big one.
Yep, almost there.
Look at that. Whoa.
Take another dive. That's a gorgeous fish.
Aren't they beautiful?
Yeah.
The color on them?
What do you want me to do, Matt? Anything?
Just be ready, Scott. He may go at any second.
Gotta touch him. I was gonna try, but...
Watch his tail. He'll slap the shit out of you. He will, really.
Is that camera going down?
Larry has it.
Oh,
Look at that. He puked up all of our bait.
Here, somebody, Chad, help me out here. Oh, you can't, can you? I can. What can I do, man?
Watch that tail. There he goes.
What do you need, Bob? Captain. Well, no. Just, we got to get the hook out of him. So, I can grab the leader if you try to unhook him, or if you got gloves, grab the leader and I'll unhook him. What are those black gloves? They're
Well,
not here.
wants,
I don't know. I asked about him, but
he wants to be under that boat, doesn't he?
yeah, well, he's trying to hide. You don't have any. You don't have any leader gloves, Dad?
I have no gloves that I know of.